frame of it's all urethane in, and they tried to pry it out. They put dents all the way across here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
So this is a interesting one here. This one was dropped off at a local dealership to have the mechanics replace the sunroof, and they tried, the frame of it's all urethane in, and they tried to pry it out. They put dents all the way across here. You can see a deep one right here. Then they did the same thing on this side as well, all the way across. So the dealership is going to pay us to fix all of this.